Hi everyone, welcome to Bright Learners. Today, let's learn 50 real-life English sentences. Short, simple, and useful. Let's go!
Where are my car keys?
Where are my car keys?
I saw them on the coffee table.
I saw them on the coffee table.
Did you grab your umbrella?
Did you grab your umbrella?
Oh, thanks for reminding me.
Oh, thanks for reminding me.
Is the front door locked?
Is the front door locked?
Let me double check.
Let me double check.
Do I need a coat today?
Do I need a coat today?
Yes, it's freezing out there.
Yes, it's freezing out there.
Does this dress look okay?
Does this dress look okay?
It looks great on you.
It looks great on you.
Are the kids in the car?
Are the kids in the car?
Yes, they're all buckled up.
Yes, they're all buckled up.
We're going to be late!
We're going to be late.
Don't worry, we'll make it.
Don't worry, we'll make it.
Did you turn off the oven?
Did you turn off the oven?
Yeah, it's off.
Yeah, it's off.
Can you help me with this zipper?
Can you help me with this zipper?
Sure, hold still.
Sure, hold still.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
You too! Drive safe!
You too. Drive safe.
Is this load of laundry dry?
Is this load of laundry dry?
Not yet. Give it 10 more minutes.
Not yet. Give it 10 more minutes.
Where is the laundry detergent?
Where is the laundry detergent?
It's on the floor next to the washer.
It's on the floor next to the washer.
Does this shirt need ironing?
Does this shirt need ironing?
No, it's wrinkle-free.
No, it's wrinkle-free.
Need a hand?
Need a hand.
Actually, yes, please.
Actually, yes, please.
Where are the clean towels?
Where are the clean towels?
They are in the closet.
They are in the closet.
Is this shirt hand wash only?
Is this shirt hand wash only?
Uh-oh, I just machine washed it.
Uh-oh, I just machine washed it.
The trash is overflowing.
The trash is overflowing.
I'll take it out now.
I'll take it out now.
Can you vacuum the rug?
Can you vacuum the rug?
Sure, I'll do the whole room.
Sure, I'll do the whole room.
We need more paper towels.
We need more paper towels.
I'll pick some up tomorrow.
I'll pick some up tomorrow.
Where is the broom?
Where is the broom?
It's behind the kitchen door.
It's behind the kitchen door.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
What's the Wi-Fi password?
It's written on the router.
It's written on the router.
Are you in a meeting?
Are you in a meeting?
Yes, please keep it down.
Yes, please keep it down.
Can I borrow a pen?
Can I borrow a pen?
Sure, take one from the jar.
Sure, take one from the jar.
My computer is so slow today.
My computer is so slow today.
Try restarting it.
Try restarting it.
Do you have a stapler?
Do you have a stapler?
It's in my top desk drawer.
It's in my top desk drawer.
Can you print this for me?
Can you print this for me?
Sorry, the printer is out of ink.
Sorry, the printer is out of ink.
I need to focus on this.
I need to focus on this.
Okay, I'll leave you alone.
Okay, I'll leave you alone.
Is your homework finished?
Is your homework finished?
Almost. I have one more page.
Almost. I have one more page.
Can you turn your music down a bit?
Can you turn your music down a bit?
Sorry, I'll put on headphones.
Sorry, I'll put on headphones.
Where is my notebook?
Where is my notebook?
You left it on the dining table.
You left it on the dining table.
Is it starting to rain?
Is it starting to rain?
Just a few drops. Let's go inside.
Just a few drops. Let's go inside.
Where are the garden shears?
Where are the garden shears?
They should be in the shed.
They should be in the shed.
Do the plants need water?
Do the plants need water?
The soil feels pretty dry.
The soil feels pretty dry.
What are you doing in the yard?
What are you doing in the yard?
I'm watering the plants.
I'm watering the plants.
Is it time to mow the lawn?
Is it time to mow the lawn?
Yes, it's getting a bit long.
Yes, it's getting a bit long.
Is the barbecue ready?
Is the barbecue ready?
Almost. The grill is heating up.
Almost. The grill is heating up.
Can you help me bag the leaves?
Can you help me bag the leaves?
Sure, let me get some gloves.
Sure, let me get some gloves.
Is the mail here yet?
Is the mail here yet?
Yes, it just arrived.
Yes, it just arrived.
What are you planting?
What are you planting?
Some carrot seeds.
Some carrot seeds.
Can we eat outside?
Can we eat outside?
Yes, it's a beautiful day.
Yes, it's a beautiful day.
Did you lock the gate?
Did you lock the gate?
Yes, it's latched.
Yes, it's latched.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Do you want to go for a walk?
Give me a minute to put on my shoes.
Give me a minute to put on my shoes.
Are you using the treadmill?
Are you using the treadmill?
No, it's all yours. Go ahead.
No, it's all yours. Go ahead.
Can you spot me?
Can you spot me?
Sure, I'll stand right behind you.
Sure, I'll stand right behind you.
Is the yoga mat clean?
Is the yoga mat clean?
Yes, I wiped it down after my session.
Yes, I wiped it down after my session.
I have a slight headache.
I have a slight headache.
Do you want some aspirin?
Do you want some aspirin?
Do we have any Band-Aids?
Do we have any Band-Aids?
Yes, in the first aid kit.
Yes, in the first aid kit.
Are you feeling better?
Are you feeling better?
Much better. Thanks for asking.
Much better. Thanks for asking.
Is the heat turned on?
Is the heat turned on?
Yes, I set it to 22 degrees.
Yes, I set it to 22 degrees.
I'm feeling a bit chilly.
I'm feeling a bit chilly.
Here, take this blanket.
Here, take this blanket.
Did you take your vitamins?
Did you take your vitamins?
I almost forgot. Doing it now.
I almost forgot. Doing it now.
Do you want to meditate?
Do you want to meditate?
Maybe later. I'm too sleepy.
Maybe later I'm too sleepy.
Is the light too bright?
Is the light too bright?
A little. Can you dim it?
A little. Can you dim it?
What time are you waking up?
What time are you waking up?
I'll set my alarm for 7.
I'll set my alarm for 7.
Sleep well.
Sleep well.
You too. Sweet dreams.
You too. Sweet dreams.
That's all for today. Practice these sentences every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy learning. Bye.